now. Oh, dearie me. Unbelievable. The rear tyre just letting go in the most spectacular fashion. That is, oh, dearie me. That is a shocking crash for Marquez. That is one of the biggest high sides I've seen in 25 years of covering this sport. Unbelievable. Santi Hernandez can't believe it. Unbelievable. What an incident for the 8 times world champion. I'm so happy the reporter is on his feet. I mean, he must have been 12, 15 feet in the air there, the Repsol Honda man.
Marc Marquez, thankfully, up on his feet. Understandably, I think a little bit shaken. He's just out the back of the Repsol Honda box, but on the back of a scooter, so I wonder if he's heading down for some medical checks.